Want to build an energy system performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our energy data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly, and we're ready to create our dashboard. Now watch as artificial intelligence analyzes our data and identifies the most meaningful insights. The AI is examining weather patterns, energy production levels, consumption ratios, and system efficiency metrics. It's determining the best way to visualize relationships between solar generation, grid imports, weather conditions, and peak demand periods. The system is creating multiple chart types to tell the complete story of our energy performance. It's building weather distribution charts, production comparisons, efficiency trends over time, and consumption analysis. The AI is also generating data tables for outlier detection and weather summaries. Our energy system performance dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 analytical tables covering every aspect of system performance. We can instantly change themes to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for presenting insights about energy production, consumption patterns, weather impacts, and system efficiency trends to executives and technical teams. We exit presentation mode and can explore interactive features, drill down into specific time periods, and analyze detailed performance metrics. Try Bricks today and transform your data analysis workflow.